Hello, everyone. Donald Glover here with EarnNetWealth.com, and I want to just take a few minutes and talk to you about a cool little business opportunity that I just joined up with yesterday. It is called Alive Max, and it's a very cool little program. I've been doing internet marketing now for around 9 or 10 years, and I've seen a lot of things come, a lot of things go. And I've been very fortunate and very successful in the internet marketing arena. And so anyway, what I want to do is I don't want to show you how the program works or any of that stuff. That's already out there, and I'm not going to try to reinvent the wheel. What I just wanted to do was talk to you as somebody that's a seasoned marketer and show you some really cool features that this little program has set up in it. Now, here in your back office homepage, you have links to training. They're going to show you all the training you need to run your business effectively. There's tools, and we're going to talk about a couple of those cool little tools. There's a contact manager so that you can contact all of your leads. You can update your user and billing information. The genealogy link so that you can check your genealogy people in your downline. And then there's Place a Friend, which is a very cool feature that will allow you to help your friends get started in the business as well. Very, very cool, very powerful feature. But what I want to talk to you about real quick here is a seasoned marketer and 9 to 10 years into the internet marketing arena. When I first started doing this, I basically had to do all of my own web design in-house. Probably could have hired it out, but as somebody that I wanted to learn about it, so I took the time to learn how to do web design and Java and all that good stuff. But what's really cool about this little office, like most of your businesses, they give you a replicated web page. Only this isn't so much such a replicated web page as these websites are what we call fantastic lead capture pages. So let's take a look at some of these lead capture pages that they have here. And what all you have to do is just promote that link right there. Just send traffic to that link, and that's all you have to do. In fact, let's take a little look at this here website. And you send traffic to this website, and it's all set up. And I'm just going to end that video right now. But what I wanted to show you here is it's been featured in Fortune Magazine and Mayo Clinic and WebMD, and really cool, powerful little lead capture page here. Let's go look at another one. This next one that we're going to look at is one that I really like. So I actually have my domain name. Now you can do this too. You can go into your domain manager. I own the domain earnnetwealth.com. And all you have to do is redirect it or actually just forward it to that link. But there's an extra step that I did so that I could track my progress, and I'm going to show you that here. Another one of the really cool, powerful tools that this company offers here. So let's take a look at this little website. This is the one that I'm using. If you go to my website at earnnetwealth.com, this is the one you'll see. Cool little guy steps in here, does a little bit of talking about the business opportunity, and then of course really, really nice laid out lead capture page here. If you were to have somebody design this lead capture page for you, it would probably cost you several hundred, if not several thousands of dollars to have a website like this put together for you. You have your lead, your prospect puts their information in over here and clicks take the tour, and then the system automatically takes them on a tour of the program, puts them into an autoresponder, and automatically starts working your lead for you. This is turnkey, folks, fully turnkey. Something that a lot of people don't have time to do is to work a business. All you do is drive traffic to your website, tell everybody you know about your website, and then let the system work for you. It's that easy. Folks, it doesn't get any easier than this. Okay? And like I said, they have plenty of these. You have plenty of these to choose from. Very, very well, professionally designed layouts. Absolutely cool. And as somebody that does web design, I'm not even designing my own website for this because I like their lead capture pages so well. I'm just going to use theirs. Now, something else I wanted to show you is this source statistics. This is what I'm talking about, the key code tracking. When I went to my domain, I used that link for that page. They're showing this one here as an example. This would be the lead capture page link. And then what we did was they added this part to it. And when you add that on the end of it and then change this part here, your source code, they put ABC as an example. I'm going to show you here. You put that, you change that to whatever it is you want to change it to, and then it will track your advertising for you. Folks, this is a very, very, very important feature because you need to know when you're spending advertising dollars, you need to know what ads are pulling and what ads are not pulling. So let's say you wanted to place a lead in National Geographic magazine, for instance. You would change that your source code to NGC, for instance, or whatever, and then when somebody sees a magazine, and you can attach this to your domain name, for instance, earnnetwealth.com/NGC, and then when somebody sees that in that magazine, oh, I like that, and they go and they check it out, it actually tracks that, so you know that ad is pulling. It's also like the extension number. Some people use extensions on their phone lines or whatever. I'm going to show you a real quick example of that. Just before I did this video, I sent out a quick little blast on Twitter. And so what I did was I used the lead capture page that I wanted, okay, and then I put this on there. And I changed where it says your source code here. I put Twitter in there. And then I put a little blast out. And I got 17 hits from that. Okay? So I know that when I posted that little blast out there just here seconds ago, before I started recording this video, I've already had 17 hits just from that one link. So I know that little, that kind of pulled a little bit. And so here you'll see what's really cool is I did earnnetwealth.com. I put my EarnNetWealth there. I had it forwarded, and you can see that I've had 11 hits off of that so far. Here's one that's had 25 hits. Now the really cool thing about it is right here. You see this robots? That's the search engine robots. Very, very, very cool. That tells me, and this is just in a matter of, I don't know, it hasn't been long. So what that's telling me is that lead capture page that I'm using is pretty well indexed for robots to go and crawl, which is a good thing. You want to be able to get good search engine ranking as well, and with good pulling lead capture pages like this, it's just phenomenal that you're able to have these lead capture pages already designed for you that are indexed for good ranking on search engines. Just a really, really powerful little program. And like I said, this is set it, forget it. Turnkey. Go out there, register a domain name, forward the link that you want to it, and bang, there you go. Send traffic to it. Tell everybody about it. All right, but what I wanted to show you here is, like I said, I've been doing this. I joined this thing here about 24 hours ago. Really haven't had a lot of time to do much of anything other than kind of check it out. I wanted to check things out before I started really getting heavy into promoting this, and I'm really impressed. So I wanted to show you here pre-enrollees here within, I don't know, the last, since yesterday morning. So we're talking probably about 24 hours. I've had 224 hits on my right leg and 1 hit on my left leg. So that's a total of 225 hits right there in the last 24 hours. I haven't done a whole lot of advertising. I did, as you saw in my key code tracking, I did a little bit of advertising. Some of that's probably from search engine. In fact, that one that had 23 hits from none was probably from search engine. But I did do a Twitter blast, and I did do I put a link on Facebook, and I sent my link out to a couple of personal friends of mine. And as you can see, the power of this system in 24 hours, I already have 224 pre-enrollees in my business. And folks, I really haven't done anything to promote this. Really haven't started working this very hard. So, very impressed with this nice little business. What you need to do is head over to my website at www.earnnetwealth.com. Fill out the little form real quick. Don't worry, we're not going to spam you with anything, and you can opt out at any time. But go ahead and check this out, guys. This is very, very powerful, and I suggest you put yourself on the $25 a month auto ship. Most businesses out there want a couple of $100 minimum startup, and then you got to maintain $70 to $100 a month auto ship. Folks, this is a $25 a month auto ship program, and you stand to make a fortune with it. Head over to my website, earnnetwealth.com, right now. Fill out the form. Get yourself involved. Check it out. Buy the product and get yourself started on, I like to say, earning net wealth. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Be on the lookout for more videos soon, and thanks for watching.